Alright, what's up YouTube? This is BBLE5. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make like a zippo lighter at home or whatever. Um, you can either make it out of a Tic Tac box, which is a lot more complicated because you're gonna have to cut this paper and pull off this lid, this lid, and then you do the same steps really. But what I found is a long time ago, I don't know if they still have it, but there's kind of gum called Hubba Bubba Ouch, and it used to come in a metal case like this. It does open like this backwards instead of to the side, but it still works very good. So what you could do is you could put tape over it and you can color it, or you could like tape paper to it and color, make whatever design you want on it, but I'm not going to do that right now just because, yeah, it's the video. So what you're going to need is a lot of toilet paper and a lighter, and then obviously this or a Tic Tac thing. I don't even know if this will fit, but yeah. Alright, so then all you do is you take this, and then you take your toilet paper, and then you shove some in the bottom just because it's a little long, it's a little tall, sorry. And you're going to need a rubber band. I could not find any, but what you're going to want to do is with the rubber band is you're going to want to put the rubber band around here and put it on just like when you're not going to use it, just put it over the hole where the flame would come out. When you're going to use it, all you do is you grab it and you move it onto this part, the button, and then you just strike it. Sorry, this one's crappy. It has the safety thing, but you know, what are you going to do? That's just what I had for right now. Then you take all your other ones and you just shove them in the side, really. And then it will close. It'll close, as you can see, and then it will open. And when you want to light it, you just take your rubber band and move it over, and you just do this thing. It's hard to do it without the rubber band because I can't press the button that good. But as you can see, it lights, and then that's really it. And it's like your own personal Zippo lighter. It's kind of sideways, as you can see, because usually, as you know, they open like this way, like a Tic Tac thing, kind of. But the Tic Tac ones aren't as good. But this one opens backwards, and the flame is going to be on the side. Or you can turn it, you can make it something like, hold on, give me a second. Put it on the side like this, so it'll be on the side, but I like this way better just because it's good. It works good for me, at least. If you can't find this case, though, or if you could find something like as big as long as a lighter or a little longer like this. And this is metal, which makes it even better. So the case will close, it'll open, and the tissues won't light on fire just because if you shove them down far enough, they're not high enough, even if the thing blows. And to put it out, all you do is you blow on the lighter, obviously, and then you just move your rubber band back. And that's really it. It's actually very simple, unless you're doing it with the Tic Tac case, which is crappy because this thing is plastic. And it might even melt. I have no clue. I never did it. I just did it with this. But this works great. As I was saying, yeah. Sorry, I was just looking to see if I actually had a rubber band anyway, but I don't. It's better to, if you want to do this, take off the safety. And some crappy lighters. Here, hold on, give me a second. Okay, as you can see, some of the old crappier lighters don't have it. They just spin. Like the ones where you can adjust the flame. So then I could just shove it in there on the side. Yeah, it's hard to light when because I can't press the button. But when you get the rubber band, if you do, it works great. So, and that's all you have to do to make your own Zippo lighter at home. That's all you have to do. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe. Sorry about the crappy quality for the sound and picture and everything. But my what's it called? My iPod has actually broken. Like it won't let me restore it. So I don't know, but yeah, and then you can design the outside. So it's very cool. But thanks for watching. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, please. Thank you.